another night of me talking to my camera again. Okay, so good night. Good evening pala, not good night. I just finished taking quick bath kasi maghapon akong naglaba. Just did our laundry na napakadami kasi every Friday ako naglalaba eh. So, ayun. Anyways, wala akong na-accomplish na plate today. Naglaba lang talaga ako. Like, medyo nakaka-disappoint kasi wala akong nadagdag sa plates ko. Pero, it's fine. It's fine. And tomorrow, may pasok ang mga cutie pie. I have classes ng 9 to 12 sa SDS and then 1 to 3 p.m. sa History of Archie. Okay lang. Gusto ko din umalis na talaga bukas kasi ako ay medyo naboboring na ulit na naman dito sa house namin. Pero, I'm happy na nag-asynchronous na 1 week. Oh my God. That's a blessing, really. Really a blessing. Kasi nakapagpahinga ako sa ilang weeks ng burnout ko. Grabe. Grabe yung burnout ko, day. Like, I swear. Anyways, may nabasa pala ako kanina. I read somewhere something about ito. Open pa siya natin. Kita ko to kanina. It says here na, hold me back once I'm crushing on someone because I'm going to be the most performative person ever. And I can actually freaking relate to this. Kasi I once liked someone and you know, liking someone turns you into the most performative person ever. Parang i-adjust mo yung sarili mo sa kung ano yung trip nila para magustuhan ka nila. Kasi nga, you like that person and you want them to like you as well. And I realized that na tama nga sila. Sabi ko, hold me back. Huwag niyo na akong hayaan na magkagusto sa isang tao ulit. Kasi, when I liked someone, I kind of lost myself. Gets niyo ba? Kasi, before naging kami ng tao na yun, I actually forgot who I am before maging kami. Pero nung nag-reminisce ako, I was looking through old photos, old works. I was so deep, so productive. I was like that. And then when I liked that person, I kind of changed, you know. Di ko siya napansin kasi nung nasa relationship pa ako na yun, I feel like I'm still me. Ako pa rin yun na parang pinipilit ko pa rin yung sarili ko na mag-stay sa sarili ko. Kumbaga, like, to stay, to maintain my individuality, my likes, my something like that. Pero, I was wrong. Kasi nung wala na kami. Tapos ngayon, na-realize ko siya na parang, wow, that person who likes someone, who loves someone was so different. Just because she likes someone. Alam mo yun, may mga nagustuhan ako na hindi ko naman talaga normally magugustuhan, or may mga ginawa ako na normally hindi ko talaga kayang gawin just because I like someone. I really lost myself nung time na yun. And dyan mo talaga mapapatunayan na talagang liking and or loving someone is crazy. Para ka talagang nawawala sa sarili mo, like as in I'm so out of myself. Legit, nung we were on a relationship. Kasi, ang time na yun, all my productivity was so gone. Parang drained ako palagi. And then, I'm always out of focus. Kasi, I was pretending to be someone that I'm not. And sinisiksik ko yung sarili ko dun sa narrative na hindi naman ako, because I know that someone, the person I like, fit the person that I made in my mind more. Alam mo yun? Yung pinipilit ko na maging ako to kahit hindi naman talaga ako. Kasi feel ko yun yung parang mas magugustuhan niya kasi nga gusto ko siya. Ganon. And it was so dumb. Not dumb, actually. It was so naive. Ang naive nun. Nung part na yun. Pero, yeah. Yun yung realize ko. Kasi ngayon na wala na kami. And I'm on my own again. Bumalik ako sa dati. Like, gets ba? Like, bumalik yung pagiging artsy ko. Bumalik yung likings ko sa pagsusulat. And I'm always focused. Ano yun? I feel like I'm becoming me again. You know, I never felt more like me simula nung nag-break kami. And I feel like I'm gaining my spark back. And I'm so happy that I realized that. Na-realize ko yun. Kasi, nakakabaliw talaga ang love. Nakakabaliw ang pagkakagusto. Kasi, it's becoming so toxic. And ngayon, pinamis ko na sa sarili ko na I will maintain this and I will not really focus myself, my energy, onto the person that I like. Kasi, ano yun, ang dami kong realize. Para talaga ako nawala sa sarili. Alam mo yung feeling na para kang nakapag-drugs ng isang taon tapos kung mahimasmasan ka na, you were like, oh dude, that was so not good. Parang gano'n. All along, hindi ko pala talaga maintain yung sarili ko nung time na yun. Kasi, my energy was always focused on him. Gets ba? Whenever I will see photos of me from that era, I was like, bro, you look so freaking ugly, drained, parang unmotivated and walang personality. Ganon, gets mo ba? Gets niyo ba? Kasi, nang kino-compare ko yung sarili ko before him, during him, and ngayon na after him, so different. The energy that I had before and after him was almost like this. Siyempre may mga nagbago na, siyempre kasi as time passes, may mga natutunan ako and may mga nabago na sa akin. Pero yung energy ko before him and after him was so tight and was so, ang ganda, ang gaan. But the pictures of me during him, it was so down, it was so, hindi ko din na-deny na masaya ako ng time na yun. But the energy was so off. And it was not really, basta, I cannot explain. But it was so off. I was so gray. The pictures were so gray. And I was so drained. But the relationship I was in was happy. It was just the energy that I am emitting was so negative. And hindi naman negative, but like parang empty, gano'n. Ang empty ng energy ko nung time na yun. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will not put all of my energy onto another person again. Kasi, I swear, para talaga ako nawala sa sarili ko. And I'm so happy na, bumalik ako sa interests ko. I love reading again. Movies. Like, I used to love watching movies, reading movies, writing, and then, grabe yung focus ko nung before ako magkajowa. Tapos nung naging kami, wala, parang nawala yung lahat. Nawala talaga yung lahat. As in, hindi ako nun nakapagsulat na, hindi na ako nakapagbasa. Even my attention span was so short, and then I couldn't even focus so much. Isa pa dun na nag-a-adjust din ako ng college, sa college life ko. Isa pa yun, nakadagdag din yun. Pero, mostly kasi the energy that I was giving was mostly to him. Ganun. Kasi akala ko nung time na yun, I was maintain ko yung yung sarili ko nun, yung energy ko nun para sa sarili ko. Mali pala. Hindi pala talaga. And pinipilit ko lang pala talaga yung sarili ko nung time na yun. Kasi alam kong nakafocus talaga ako nun sa kanya. Which was so wrong of me. Pero yun, lesson learned. I'm just happy now. Yeah, literally, sobrang saya ko na ngayon. I'm better off alone talaga. Pero nagtatrive ako kapag mag-isa. Ganun. Pero yeah. Anyways, ilang minutes na ba to? Oh wow. Baba na. Okay, see you tomorrow again.